Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmad Sabri. I am from Karachi City, Pakistan. In this video, I am going to show you the fixed angle rotator of solar panels. This is a solar panel system which is being made by using 4 solar panels, each 210 watts. These solar panels have the ability to produce around 37 amperes in daytime, in full sunshine. In this video, I am going to show you that how a small child can easily rotate this entire system. This system is very much feasible for those areas, for those countries where they have very light wood structures. For instance, for example, like UK, Sweden, Denmark, and all those Mediterranean and Scandinavian countries especially, where they have lots of winter seasons, like icy conditions, ice, and they have so much cold weather. So for those areas, the upper structure is not being able to handle lots of weight. So this structure is you can put directly this structure on the ground floor, and you can rotate it with the entire system on one single axis. You can see in the middle there is a one single axis. So the entire system is actually moving on the single axis, right? And this is the system which have fixed angle. So it's a 72 degrees angle, and we rotate all the system on single axis. So the customer do not have the sufficient amount in their pocket, so they install firstly these 4 panels, but later on, after 6 months or 1 year, they will put another 4 panels over here. So we have provide the provision over here priorly. So this is I am going to explain further in this video in details. This system is very much beneficial for those all kinds of lightweight structures where the ceiling or roof doesn't have the ability to withstand heavy loads. So this structure is lightweight. You can directly put it on the ground, anywhere on the ground, in the garden or in the backyard, and this system you can rotate. It is very much safe system, because whenever stormy weather or winter weather or rain and gusts and winds when comes, this structure can withstand very harsh weather conditions. As you can see here, I am showing to you that last night we got a stormy weather, a very high wind gust. So this I am going to show you. Let's see this. You can see down below there is water everywhere. You can see water is accumulated. So you can see that the last night we get rain and a very stormy weather. So this entire system doesn't go anywhere. This system doesn't go anywhere, and this withstand very greatly, and it is still standing. So it is my recommendation to use this system, and if you need this system, I can send to you this system anywhere in the world. Only you have to pay the payment into the bank, and I will deliver all the prefabricated, pre-installed, pre-assembled system, and I can dismantle it and you can easily assemble it, because everything put at its designated places. So it will be very much easy for you to put only the solar panels over there, and you can install not only these 210 watt solar panels, you can install 450 watts, 480 watts, 580 watts, and up to 610, 620 watts. Any kind of panels, any form of panels, any wattage panels you can put directly over the this structure, over this structure. So this can handle total 8 solar panels. If you have, no matter whatever the length is, but in this row you can put 580 watt 2 panels, 580 watt 2 panels, and in this row you can also put 580 watt max, because this is the mostly the running size available in Pakistan. So this you can put over here. So this means 4 plus 4, you can put 8 solar panels. So not more than that you can put. Only 8 solar panels max you can put over, install over the structure. Now the good thing is that you are actually not putting the load directly on the roof. You are putting the load, you are not putting the load on the ceiling, on the roof. So you are directly putting all the load of the structure of the solar panels on the ground floor, or in the garden, or in the backyard, or in the car parking area. Wherever you have suitable place, you can put the entire system over there. And especially the building control authorities, whoever, or the council, they have no any kind of issues when you are putting all the load over the ground, because they have only concern, because those authorities have only the concern that whether the structure of the home is capable to handle and to bear the load of the structure of the solar panels, like angle irons or C channels or aluminized channels. So they have only concerned that whether the superstructure is capable or not. So this is very much important to understand. Now in this system you are putting all the load on the ground, so there is no any kind of issue for the building control authorities or any kind of authorities like councils and other codes of practices. So they do not have any kind of objections. So only you can put directly all the load on the ground floor. So this is a very much best system. If you need this system, I can deliver it to you, and you can install this system in just one day. So this is very much beneficial and easy to install, because everything is retrofitted, everything is pre-installed, pre-assembled. Only you just have to let it out, all the solar panel out from the box, and you can put directly on the structure. So this is very much convenient, very much easy, very much quickly you can install the entire system of this solar rotator. So this is Ammar Sabri from Karachi City, Pakistan, and if you have any kind of inquiry or you want to ask any questions, you can please simply email me, and my email is written in the last of the video, in every video, at last page, in the last session. So you can check the email from there, and you can if you have any kind of other inquiry, you want to run your home or your factory or your any place, wherever you need electricity, you can install Dell solar system. It is very much best system in the world, because it is so much enormous power. It has enormous power that you can run a 250 ampere welding plant on the Dell 8 kVA 5600 watt solar system. So that is the only system in the world that you can install that system anywhere. And also you can charge your electric vehicles as well from the Dell, and also you can transfer the electricity from one car to another car if you need it. And also by using Dell solar system, you can charge the Tesla or BYD or okay. So at the solar rotator we have this small kid. His name is Ahmed. So how are you, Ahmed? आप कैसे हैं? आप ठीक हैं? Okay, so Ahmed will tell us that how he will show us that how he can rotate the entire system of the rotator. So Ahmed, चलें बेटा hook निकालें. So Ahmed has removed the hook, and he is actually pushing the entire system of the solar rotator only by his hand. So there is no any kind of friction into the system. The system is entirely, completely frictionless. You can see a small child is moving the entire system.
So he is just only 6 years old and he is rotating the entire system. So this is very much frictionless and a small kid can do this. And he is again going back to lock the buckle. So this is all you have to do when you put the system over at the ground, no matter in whichever the country you are, no matter UK, Denmark or any kind of Mediterranean or Scandinavian country, especially UK, where you have less amount of sunlight projected over the earth. So in those countries, this system is very much useful and beneficial for all those clients who want to install over the home's roof. So it is far more better to put all the load over the ground, not on the roof. So this system can get the maximum amount of sunlight absorbed by these solar panels. So this is really a good system, and it has a fixed inclination vertical angle, and it has a high inclination level rather than 23 angle. This has around 70 to 75 degree angle. So thank you, Ahmed, so nice of you.